Hyundai Tucson 2013 model. Ayan. Yan yung kulay white. Color white ha. Ponti start. May G2. No accelerate pedal. Hindi siya ma-accelerate ng power. Low power siya. Yup. Low power siya. I-update ko kayo. Ito na yung kanyang trouble code. Ito mga kaibigan ang kanyang trouble code ha. Throttle position sensor P022. Yan ang kanyang mga trouble code ha. Throttle actuator range performance ha. P0112 P0122 P0332 throttle position sensor ha. P0638. Yan mga kaibigan ang kanyang trouble code. Hindi siya mados. Okay, low power. Hyundai Santa Fe. This is the problem of P0222. Throttle position sensor 1, throttle position sensor 2, low input. P0638 throttle range bank 1, low input. And this is the white black is no continuity. White black no continuity. Brown, white black, blue, white, gray, green. Bali ito mga kaibigan, yung white black niya, ang number 1 pin yung white black, yun ang wala niya. Putol. Saan siya papunta? Ito yung TPS ground. Yan mga kaibigan, yun ang pinakasira. Kaya hindi siya mados benzene. Kaya hindi siya ma-accelerate. Hyundai Tucson to 2013 model mga kaibigan. Ito, Hyundai Tucson 2013 model 2.4 Bali yung pinakasira niya yung white black TPS ground. Black 1 And the black one is no same open. Same open wire. Aywa. Wala, open wire. That's the problem, black one. Open wire. Because MC ka, mapi temper dala. Sadik mapi temper. Okay. Resistance checking. Good. 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 Lagi ka. Good. 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 Yes. Finish. Now it's okay. Now it's okay. Hello guys, Hyundai Tucson 2013 model AWD. Ito na po ang update natin mga kaibigan. Okay na siya. The problem of this car is accelerator pedals. No accelerate. Same low power until here. 3, 2 only. But now we are testing now. You see. Okay. One more time. Okay. That's all. Now it's okay. Good. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video, mga bossing.